What's going on, YouTube? Austin here with another video. So I got this thing. It's a WLTech Robot. Here it is. So yeah, I'm not really sure how to. There's an app for it. If I set that, okay, yeah, it's gonna fall down. Yeah, so here it is. It's the WL robot here, and it's supposed to carry the gnome on my bed. Haven't made my bed yet. Okay, so anyway, when you turn it on, you can deliver a drink to somebody, and it holds it like that. So yeah, anyway, I have it plugged in and everything. Remember, there's an app for it. You turn it on and it starts moving. Not sure if you control it through the app but anyway, I got this robot, and then I guess I could record, and that's the camera right there. It's pretty neat. I would turn it on, but it's gonna go flying, so it's like a weird mind of its own. But it's pretty neat. If you guys have one, let me know how to use it, because I don't. So anyway, that's gonna be for now. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.